Welcome back, guys. It is Easter already. We are 3 weeks out. Come with me to make some fun gifts for all. First up, we're going to be making this beautiful, look at this beautiful briefcase. I'm going to be making this for a teacher, but not only for the teacher, they are going to be able to put this at the back of their classroom to allow students to grab supplies if need be. So let's go ahead and get started. The top part of this briefcase was just a little too plain for me. So I'm going to go ahead and add this beautiful Easter piece, and I'm just adding a little bit of glue. Look how colorful and beautiful this is. And it is a bunny. It has a little tail on it. Now this glue will keep it nice and still and steady, and it will not come off. So when the teacher has this open in the classroom, it'll be decorative. So I'm going to move along pretty quickly so we can get it filled. And first up, I'm going to make a little chocolate bag. So this box will have a mix of treats. Some items will be just for the teacher that they can remove, and then, like I said, there will be supplies. So the students can go ahead and grab a pencil and things like that. They can have it at the back of the classroom. So of course, the pencils are beautifully Easter themed. Let's see what else we're going to put in here. And here I'm adding some more supplies, little cute notepads. The notepads she can give to students or keep for herself, but these little cute to-do notes, sticky notes, she can keep for herself. Of course, we have some beautiful Easter themed socks, and then we have some more treats. So as you can tell by now, this is a teacher box, but this one is personalized. So we're going to put a few extra things just for our special teacher. And we have a hair clip, we have a nail clip, all Easter colors. We have some bookmarks and tassels to go with it. Then we have something all teachers need all the time. So we're going to put as many as can fit in the box. The entire time I was editing this video, that pencil in the corner that I'm finally picking up just really struck a nerve. So glad I got it. All right, so we're gonna put about maybe 4 or 5. Let's see how many I can fit. Let's see. I know for sure we can get, let's see, 1, 2, maybe 4. No, 4 is too high. So 3. Teachers can use these along with Clorox wipes, tissues, things like that. So we're gonna fill some more items for our special teacher. Again, this particular gift is personalized. So we're just adding some more treats for her that has gum in it and more nail things. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and put that there, and we may add 2 more things. We have a little bit more treats. If I were a teacher, I would love this gift. Let's go ahead and throw some ribbon on it and jump into gift number 2. All right, so we have here an Easter basket, and again, this is personalized because I did do a survey and a lot of you wanted to see personalized gifts rather than just general gifts. So this will be personalized as well. Now, when I do personalized gifts, I do like to hide some things, kind of make it fun when they're unwrapping a Christmas gift. So some things will be wrapped in this gift. So here we have this 2-piece cool pizza set, and I'm just trying to figure out where I should put it in the basket. I think I'm gonna stick it in the front, but I'm gonna wrap it. So these are one of the things that I like to make as a surprise. Since this is Easter themed, we are gonna be using some Easter boxes and or bags to wrap up some of the other items. So I'm going to quickly put that box together, and here we have it. It's really cute, and we're going to see what fits in here. I'm going to use glue and staple for this bag because the package is a little bit more heavy. So just to keep it extra secure, I'm going to use just a tiny bit of glue, and we're going to staple it just like we done the first one. Right, let's get the stapler, package this up, and wrap up our Easter basket. Personalized Easter basket at that. Stay tuned for part 2 coming in the next few days. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Let me know in the comments what would you like to see in my next video.